Before buying a Canon camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most people pick the wrong model because they focus on specs instead of real-world use. But the real buyers are definitely talking about what actually matters, like battery life, ease of use, and whether it actually helps them get the shot. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Canon PowerShot P100. This Canon PowerShot P100 might look like just another point-and-shoot, but don't let the simple design fool you. Priced around $900, it's positioned as a premium compact, and what caught my eye is that 40x optical zoom. That's 960 reach in your pocket. If you want serious zoom without carrying a big lens, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 40x zoom with optical stabilization means you can capture distant subjects, like wildlife or your kid's soccer game, without blurry results. The 20.3 MP CMOS sensor and DIGIC-8 processor deliver clean images even in low light, and 4K video gives you flexibility if you ever want to edit or crop footage. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, transferring photos to your phone is seamless. Over 500 units sold last month shows real demand, even without reviews yet. Now some people might be turned off by the lack of an optical viewfinder. This model only has that tilt LCD screen. If you shoot in bright sunlight often, that screen can get hard to see. Here's the thing though, the 3-inch tilting display is great for vlogging or shooting from awkward angles, so it's a trade-off, not a flaw. Just keep a lens cloth handy for glare. This is perfect for you if you want pro-level zoom in a travel-friendly body and don't mind relying on the screen. Skip this one if you need interchangeable lenses or shoot mostly in manual mode. At this price, it's a solid value if zoom is your top priority. Product number 2, Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Now if the PowerShot's fixed lens felt limiting, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III takes a completely different approach. This is a full-frame mirrorless powerhouse built for speed and precision. Though pricing isn't listed yet, it's clearly aimed at serious photographers and hybrid shooters. If you want top-tier autofocus and burst shooting for action or events, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 32.5 MP full-frame sensor delivers stunning detail, but the real game-changer is the 40 FPS continuous shooting with pre-capture, meaning it starts buffering shots before you even press the button. That's huge for capturing split-second moments. The in-body stabilization gives up to 8.5 stops of shake correction, so handheld shots stay sharp even at slow shutter speeds. Dual-pixel CMOS AFII with animal, vehicle, and people detection locks focus fast, and the dual card slots, including CF Express, ensure you never lose a shot during critical moments. Now, some people complained about high-end Canon bodies being heavy or complex. Here's the thing though, this camera is built for professionals and enthusiasts who need reliability and speed, not casual point-and-shoot users. This is perfect for you if you shoot fast-moving subjects or need a durable, high-performance body for paid work. Skip this one if you're a beginner or prioritize portability. It's a premium tool, so only worth it if your photography demands it. Product number 3, Canon PowerShot V1. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for content creators, the Canon PowerShot V1. Designed specifically for vlogging and live streaming, this compact hybrid packs serious video features in a pocketable body. If you want a camera that makes filming yourself easy and professional, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in 1650mm wide-angle zoom lens f2.845 is perfect for selfies and group shots, and the 1.4 type 22.3 MP sensor ensures sharp, detailed footage. The cooling fan is a rare feature in compact cameras. It lets you record 4K video for longer without overheating. Whether you're streaming on YouTube or TikTok, this camera handles it all. Now, some people might be frustrated by the lack of interchangeable lenses. This is a fixed-lens camera. Here's the thing though, for vloggers and streamers, simplicity is a strength. You don't want to swap lenses midstream. The trade-off is worth it for the convenience and built-in optimization. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator who values portability, long recording times, and high-quality video. Skip this one if you need telephoto reach or shoot mostly still photography. It's a niche tool, but for the right user, it's a game changer. Product number 4, Canon PowerShot SX720HS. Now, if the V1's video focus isn't your thing, the Canon PowerShot SX720HS brings back that super zoom versatility at a more accessible level. This compact camera packs a 40x optical zoom, again hitting that 960 range, but focuses on simplicity and value. If you want long reach without the high price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 20.3 MP sensor with DIGIC6 processor delivers solid image quality, and the intelligent IS system adapts stabilization based on your movement, great for handheld zoom shots. 1080p video at 60 FPS is smooth enough for most users, and built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make sharing quick. The 3-inch LCD is bright and clear, and at under 300 grams, it's easy to carry all day. Now, some people complained about the older DIGIC6 processor. It's not as fast or efficient as newer chips. Here's the thing though, for casual shooters and travelers, it's more than enough. You're not missing much unless you're shooting in very low light or need 4K. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, zoom-heavy camera for travel or family events. Skip this one if you need 4K video or professional-grade autofocus. It's a budget-friendly workhorse with real-world reliability. Product number 5, Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Finally, if you're ready to go all in on cutting-edge tech, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is the flagship beast. With a brand new 45MP stacked CMOS sensor and eye control focus, this camera pushes boundaries. If you want the absolute best image quality and innovation Canon offers, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stacked sensor enables 30 FPS electronic shutter shooting with minimal rolling shutter, perfect for fast action. Eye control focus lets you select focus points just by looking at them in the viewfinder, a huge leap in usability. You can shoot video and stills simultaneously without interruption, and action priority AI predicts and locks onto moving subjects. It's built for pros who need speed, resolution, and reliability. Now, some people might be put off by the likely high price and complex menu system. Here's the thing though, this isn't a camera for everyone, it's for photographers who demand the best and are willing to learn the system. If you're not shooting professionally, it's overkill. This is perfect for you if you're a working photographer or serious enthusiast who wants future-proof tech. Skip this one if you're a beginner or on a budget. It's expensive, but for the right user, it's unmatched. So which Canon camera is right for you? The PowerShot P100 for zoom lovers, the R6 Mark III for speed demons, the V1 for creators, the SX720HS for travelers, and the R5 Mark II for pros. Each solves a different problem, so don't just chase specs. Think about what you actually shoot and pick the one that fits your life.